Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax in Venice. This is one of my brand new listings. This is an exceptionally clean 2014 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. And when I say clean, this boat looks like a 17 or an 18, inside stored, only 90 hours on the 225 Verados. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options. This particular one does have your fish package, which gives you your rod holders back here, raw water wash down. Plus, underneath your companion seat here, you also have a recirculating bait well. So this boat's designed for comfort, for families, but you can definitely fish off of it. In the back, we have a huge bench that rolls out for additional seating, onboard battery charger. And this one does have the isotherm stainless steel refrigerator. Here at the dash, digital throttle and shift, super nice Garmin GPS map 7212 with a nice transducer, fusion stereo. I've got the canvas in here, but fully enclosed head, overboard discharge, dockside discharge. Got the bow table right there. Does have a cockpit cover that comes with the boat, as well as a bow cover, and she also has your windlass. So, and as well, full weather curtain, which is not shown right now. But the boat's exceptionally clean, super low hours, owned by an older couple that really didn't use the boat all that much. But if you're in the market for a new or used 27 Vantage, this is definitely one to keep on your short list. The boat's going to be listed at $139,900, and it's one of the nicest, best equipped, lowest priced ones on the market. So again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give me a ring. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you.